Second day running, lecturers and their employers yesterday failed to seal a deal on ending the Dawn's one-month strike. Now, the issue that has been raised on this matter is, one, we have some universities that are still continuing with their education, and yet some are not. So these people will, in the end, come compete for the same job market. Is this fair?
And I believe that this is in regards to the Dons.
Yes.
This has been a protracted issues that we continually see between them and the government. I think that it is time for the two parties to come together and be able to reach a consensus, which is definitely not easy, because sometimes the group would place a demand that is not feasible at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So I think that both of them need to come to a compromise, not just for their sake, but also for the sake of the students that tend to be hurt in the process.
Yeah.
So this is a cycle that we have seen, and I think if it is not resolved, it's a cycle that we will keep on seeing for a very long time. Yeah. And I think that is also where the issues of the harmonization of salaries in this nation needs to happen, where it is it is obvious, or it becomes apparent and very transparent that if you enter into this particular profession, then this is the reward that comes with it. And if that agreement is done, then this back and forth will not be seen, because if some bodies seem to be able to have a high salary that is not checked, and some people feel like they're disfranchised, that becomes a problem.
All right. We can just move on to page 10. 5